Hello, what's happening guys? This is AP. Welcome to another tutorial on plugins, on WordPress plugins. In this tutorial, I'm going to be speaking much on how to install plugins and how to see the plugins that are already installed. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing that you have to notice is that on the menu, if you hover on the test on this menu, right, you see an option called plugins. Just click on this and plugins. Okay, and maybe the first question you might have in mind is okay, so what are plugins? What are they? What's the importance of plugins? Let's say you want to add a feature. Let's say, like for example, Google Analytics, and maybe you want to add, you want to customize your website, maybe to add some SEO keywords or meta tags and all those kind of things. Sometimes WordPress doesn't really fully come with those functionality, with those features. So we have what we call plugins. These are more like extra functionality that will be added on the website. So that's the simplified version of a plugin. So if you click on plugins, right, you say there'll be installed plugins. These are all the installed plugins on your website. So these are currently the default on this website. Say all-in-one WordPress. So there's options whereby you can click, you can activate, you can delete, and also there's a bulk action. And if you want to add a plugin, just click on add new. Add new. Say add new. If I was on the internet, if I was connected online, I would have searched for other plugins, then install the plugins. So, and also it shows you the featured, popular, recommended, and the favorites. So if I had was connected to the internet, that'd be easier. I would have just selected and then say click, then install, then activate. And also there's this option called editor. The first question, the one I really recommend, especially for beginners, if you don't really understand this part, do not make changes to it. No matter how many problems you face, only make changes when you're sure of it. Don't come here on this part of editor and make changes. Otherwise, it will ruin your website. So please, I would really advise that know as in this how to code in PHP and HTML. Be sure that you really know what's happening on this in these files. So I really highly recommend, if it's related to a beginner, if you have problems, I would really advise you to go to a forum and research more into it than to head on here and make changes. So that's one of my really advice on this. So yeah, so briefly that's it on plugins. And if you have any questions on plugins or WordPress plugins, just let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you. So thanks guys for seeing this. I'll be waiting for your feedback, and I'll see you guys in the next one.